That's right, it's here. The deal of the week, everybody. 5830 Via Manigua. This is an amazing property. You're going to see as you walk in the front door with this amazing updating that we did. We opened it up. That's right, you have an open floor plan throughout this property. And as you look through the kitchen, you're going to have dual islands. Whether you like to entertain just the family or everybody from work or all your friends you possibly know, you have a ton of space. That's right, there's over 3,100 square feet of living space inside this property. Now, as we go through the property, you're going to see you have an amazing courtyard that opens up for nice nights, hanging out, drinking some wine. And as you continue down that hallway, you're going to see your additional bedrooms as well, along with the one all the way at the end that's going to have 2 bedrooms with a Jack and Jill full bath in it. Now, if you have a ton of cars, you have some toys, you have a 3-car garage with this property, and you do have an RV pull in as well. Maybe you have a boat, you have a side-by-side, whatever it might be. You are not short with space by any means. And on the second floor is where our primary bedroom is. The primary bedroom, as you're entering, you're going to see you have a loft, which is a perfect space for a little game area, or maybe even you're looking to set up a small office of some nature. Now, we fully updated that master bath. And when it comes to the shower, I mean, you could fit 20 people in that shower. That thing's so huge, and you still have a bath at the same time. And that's right, if you have a ton of clothes, if your wife's going to take over a majority of the closet space, whatever it might be, you have dual closets, dual walk-ins. That's right. We didn't spare any expense with this property. Now, one of the things that I love is the outside entertainment space. You're sitting on over a half an acre. It's absolutely amazing. The primary house has 4 bedrooms, but including your guest house, that's going to give you 5. It's up to you. You might want to do a pool party house, a lounge area, or you're going to have an extra guest spot, or even an older teenage daughter or son, whatever it might be, that wants to stay in there. Whatever it is, you can do whatever you want. It's your house. Take advantage of this today. Huge opportunity with a huge lot, not to mention additional monthly savings with rate cuts going on right now. Don't miss the opportunity of the deal of the week with those cuts going on. Reach out to myself, Johnny Richardson the Shark, for more details today.